how to transfer money from Cibc to another bank. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply log into your Cibc online banking account and then go to the transfers or payments section. Then click on add a payee, and basically here you're gonna have to simply enter the recipient's bank details. Then you're gonna have to select the Cibc account you want to transfer the money from, enter the amount that you want to transfer, and then simply review the details carefully and confirm the transfer. Now, if you want to do this on the mobile app of Cibc, basically you're gonna have to open the Cibc mobile app and log in. Then you're gonna have to go to the move money or transfer section and then simply follow the same steps as on the website version. So basically that's it. Thanks for watching.